Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if Microsoft Team app camera not working on your Windows 11 and 10 PC. If you are also facing camera issue of your Microsoft Team app, then here are the solution. Go to Windows settings, right click on start button and choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings page. Here from the left side, go to privacy and security. Click on it. Go to right side and here scroll down, and under app permission section you will find the camera option. Click on camera and make sure that camera access and let apps access your camera, both the feature is enabled. If you found it turned off, then turn on it. Thereafter go to Microsoft Teams and make sure that this feature is also enabled. If you found it off, then turn on it and check whether your Microsoft Team camera working or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose device manager. Device manager window will open. Here go to the camera driver section, expand cameras and right click on your camera driver. And choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Close the window and check whether your Microsoft Team camera working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to settings page, right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to apps section, Windows Update. Click on it and here click on check for updates, and if any update available, download and install it, and scroll down and choose advanced options. Here scroll down and you will find the option optional updates. Click on it, and if any optional updates available, then download and install it, and check whether your Microsoft Team camera app working properly or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, open settings, right click on a start button and choose settings. From the left side, go to apps. Thereafter go to right side and click on installed apps, and here in search field type Team. Microsoft Team app will appear. Here click on 3 horizontal dot against Microsoft Team and choose advanced options. Here scroll down and you will find the option reset. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. Repair Microsoft Team app, first repair, and if this app is still not working, then reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Choose reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device. So choose reset again and wait for some time. And if your problem is still camera not working on your Microsoft Team app, then uninstall Microsoft Team app from here and go to Microsoft Store app and reinstall a fresh version of Microsoft Team app in your system. That's all.